My name is Francisco Hernandez, product specialist for screw feeding, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Power Focus 6000 to the screw feeding system. So now let's have a look. You will need a program already made for the fastening. After you have connected all the cables between the step feeder, the controller and the tightening module, make sure that you have enabled the remote start on the Power Focus 6000. Then go to configurations. Go to internal inputs and outputs, edit, and on your inputs you have to put on signal 3, start loosening, and on number 4, start tightening. Then you head home and go again to configurations. For the tool configuration, edit, start condition, and make sure that your condition is pointed out to digital input. Then we head out to virtual station. We will go to connect our tool, pick our task, screw feeding in this case for myself, and finally add the inputs and outputs that we already programmed, the configuration. And now we're good to go. So this has been how to set up your controller with the screw feeding system. If you have any questions, please contact your Atlas Copco representative. Thanks for watching.